Topic 3.5. We'll be graphing a piecewise function that's made out of 3 equations. Okay, let's separate these. My first equation I'll write as y equals 1 over x. My second equation, I'll write that as y equals the absolute value of x. And my last equation, we'll write that as y equals the square root of x. Okay, I'll leave a little room under here to do some work, and then from there I'm going to get a graph that I'm going to sketch my answers on. As I get through sketching my answers, I'm going to write my final solution here. And I'll be sketching my work, and then my solution will be here. Okay, let's start off with the blue one, which is y equals 1 over x. This is graphed first by including an asymptote of x equals 0 and an asymptote of y equals 0. And then the graphs will be here and there. Okay, this is one of our basic graphs that we memorize. Let's draw that a little better. Okay. All right. Next, this one right here. This is where you start, and this is where we stop. This graph, according to our domain restriction, stops at x is -1 closed. So x is -1. We'll put this inside the equation. So we'll get 1 over -1, which equals -1. And we see that this stops at -1, comma, -1 with a closed circle. So here's -1, -1 right here, and we'll put a closed circle right there. Next, graph is the red one, which is the absolute value of x. This graph is the one that we memorized. That's the V shape. So we draw a V here. This one will start at x equals -1 open, and this will stop at x equals 4 at an open circle. So let's start at x equals -1. So we'll get y equals the absolute value of -1, which equals 1. And that gives us the point -1, comma 1 open. So this point right here will be open, and it is -1, comma 1. It will stop at x equals 4. So we'll have y equals the absolute value of 4, which equals 4, and that point will be 4, comma 4, and that'll be an open circle as well. So right about here, this is our place where we put 4, comma 4, open circle. The purple one, which is the square root of x. The square root of x looks like this. Okay, that's the graph. And this one stops at x equals 4, starts at x equals 4 with a closed circle. So we'll put x equals 4 in here. So y equals the square root of 4, which is 2. And we will stop at 4, comma 2 with a closed circle for the point. And 4, comma 2 closed is right about here. So 4, comma 2. All right. So this is our work. Let's go ahead and draw the solution here. The solution will be the blue line first, which stops right at -1, -1. The red line will start open at -1, 1, and then stop at 4, comma 4. And the purple line will be closed, but it'll start from the point 4, comma 2. And this is your piecewise line.